Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dewi Ernawati. I'm English Literature student in English Department, Faculty of Language and Cultural Studies, Tikobang University, Semarang. This video is made for the requirements of my final project for my Sarjana Sastra degree in English Literature. My final project is under the title An Analysis of Daisy's Quandary in John Glassworth's The Sun, as a psychoanalysis study. The reason I discuss about psychoanalysis because nowadays many people do unexpected things such as suicide, lie, and doing violence when they have a problem in their life. In this case, the mental health of someone is important to know. That's why the researcher would like to discuss this drama. The researcher would like to analyze and discuss what kind of ego defense mechanism which experiences by Daisy to keep her mental health and save her from her problem. Firstly, is background of this thesis. One of natural problems faced by human being is quandary. Quandary is mental disorder that is often experienced by people. People, whether they are conscious or unconscious, will experience it. It may appear in everyone, for it lies within human physical life. It may be caused by many factors, such as quandary of love, lectures, work, and friendship. In an attempt to defend ourselves, there is a term named ego defense mechanism by Sigmund Freud. There are 7 types of ego defense mechanisms. There are reaction formation, repression, sublimation, displacement, projection, regression, and rationalization. Objective of the study. First is to find out the conflicts which Daisy experienced in John Glassworth's The Sun. The second is to find out the kinds of ego defense mechanism Daisy does in John Glassworth's The Sun. Theoretical framework. This content is about the theory. This research used Sigmund Freud ego defense mechanism theory. Ego defense mechanism is a genre of psychoanalysis from Sigmund Freud. It is a psychological strategy which is conducted by a group of people, or it can be conducted by the nation to deal with reality and pay attention to self-image. Some ego defense mechanisms can be conducted by people as long as they live, and it is a reasonable thing done by every person. However, that can become a problem when people use this self-defense mechanism as their lifestyle or habit, because it can be confirmed that it can make their mental become unhealthy or abnormal. Defense mechanism can help individual to do activities in performing the rejection function from instinctual impulse, which is undesirable, and protect from excessive anxiety. Analysis and discussion. Here, the researcher found that Daisy experienced by internal and external conflict. Internal conflict happens when Daisy with Jim. She doesn't know when Jack will come. Although she doesn't know, she's still waiting for Jack. Daisy feels quandary because she is frightened if Jack finds her with Jim at the same time, and she does not want if that happens. It is shown in Daisy's dialogue. He couldn't come before. I'm frightened. He was following me. And I thought waited Jim with him in the fighting. Then the external conflicts happen when Daisy with Jim. She asks Jim to not hurt Jack when Jack come and meet her. Daisy has an argument with Jim at the time. When Jim doesn't want if Daisy chose Jack rather than him, Daisy feels depressed with the situation. It is shown in the Daisy's dialogue. Jim, don't leave your hand to him. Promise. Promise. God help us. Here, the researcher found that Daisy experienced 3 kinds of ego defense mechanism. First is reaction formation. It happens when Daisy kisses Jim. She looks at him, shivers, and puts her lips to his. Daisy experiences reaction formation because she is in an unpleasant position when Jim always asks her to come back with him, and Jack threatens her to commit suicide if Daisy does not come back with him. What Daisy does is inversely proportional with what Daisy said at that time because she is still waiting for Jack. Daisy experiences repression when she with Jim, when Daisy said, I don't know, just I have not seen him these 3 years. I do not know more since I have known you. Then she said, But your size, oh, Jim, go long. When Daisy said she forgets what Jack looks like, but she tries to change the conversation that will not make Jim angry. Then she said that Jack has the same size as Jim. She tries to get rid from discussion about Jack that makes her inconsistent or anxious by asking Jim to go along from her. Next, Daisy experiences rationalization when Jack returns from the battle and he comes to her. Then she said, "You've been so long," driving back. "No, my man." Daisy tells to Jack that she waits for him for a long time. Then Daisy refuses when Jack asks her to marry him and to kiss him at the time, which Daisy said. Here, she tries to make Jack accept the reason why she does not want to marry and kiss him. On the other hand, actually Daisy hides something from Jack, that is, Jim.
Findings. The Sun is one of drama which has ego defense mechanism content. Following the researchers' objective the study, the researchers find three kinds of ego defense mechanism. The first ego defense mechanism used by Daisy is reaction formation, such as do or say the opposite thing of her feeling. It is reflected when Daisy kisses Jim. Daisy do that because she feels uncomfortable with her position at that time when Jim always asks her, then he threatens Daisy to come back with him. Then when Daisy can only stand hesitating when Jim forbid her to not come closer to Jack. She do that to protect her from her quandary or anxiety. The second ego defense mechanism used by Daisy is repression, such as do or say something that makes her in good situation. It's reflected when Daisy chooses to say that she forgets about what Jack looks like, but on the other hand, she still remembers what Jack looks like. She do that to protect her from her quandary or anxiety. The third ego defense mechanism used by Daisy is rationalization, such as do or say something that can be accepted with other people. It is reflected when Daisy refuses Jack when Jack wants to hug her. Daisy said that Jack was too long. Daisy said that because she wants Jack know and accept if she does not want to hug him because of that.
Conclusion. In this thesis, the researcher focused on the ego defense mechanism which are experienced by Daisy in a drama The Sun by John Galsworthy. In this research, the researcher not only explained and analyzed about ego defense mechanism of the main character, but also conflicts. The researcher explained conflict because conflict is an important element in a drama. In this research, the researcher found that Daisy experiences internal and external conflict. In this research, the researcher found that Daisy experienced three kinds of ego defense mechanism. There are reaction formation, repression, and rationalization. Suggestion. This research is still limited on the depiction of ego defense mechanism of the main character and conflicts. The researcher suggests for the next research, other researchers may analyze The Sun by John Galsworthy on all characters by applying psychological approach. The Sun by John Galsworthy still has many interesting problems to analyze. From this research, the researcher hopes this research can give a science and an advantage for literature students to encourage them to learn and study more deeply about literature, especially in psychology. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.